Welcome to the Top Best. The best aluminum wheelchair ramp is probably one of the most essential accessibility tools available today, offering a reliable and sturdy solution for overcoming thresholds, steps, and other obstacles that can impede mobility. Whether you're looking to enhance independence at home, ensure smooth transitions in public spaces, or provide a safer environment for loved ones, choosing the right ramp is crucial for maximizing convenience and minimizing potential hazards. This review will delve into the key features and benefits that make a top-tier aluminum wheelchair ramp stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your specific needs. Number 5. Easy Access Threshold Ramps. Navigate your home with ease. This versatile ramp provides smooth, safe transitions over doorways and thresholds, perfect for wheelchairs, walkers, and scooters. Built to last, its high-strength aluminum construction resists rust and withstands the elements. The textured surface ensures superior traction, making it safer than other options. Achieve the ideal height for your entryway. With multiple height options and an innovative pivoting flap, it easily accommodates various threshold heights up to 6.25 inches. Need accessibility on the go? Its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it easy to move and set up wherever you need it, offering convenience without compromising stability. Tailor it precisely to your situation. You can adjust its height by removing or adding sections, ensuring a perfect fit for almost any doorway in your home. Eliminate dangerous thresholds and create secure pathways. This ramp ensures safe and independent access for everyone, making your home more accessible and comfortable. What we like. If you have varied threshold heights or need a precise fit, this ramp is an excellent choice. Its innovative pivoting flap offers an extra 0.25 of adjustability, perfect for those tricky patio sliding doors. You should consider this if you're looking for a highly adaptable solution for almost any doorway in your home. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-built, providing a stable surface for wheelchairs. It's easy to set up and deploy, making it convenient for quick use. The non-slip surface ensures safety and prevents the wheelchair from sliding. Number 4. Easy Access Portable Threshold Ramp. Introducing the Easy Access Portable Threshold Ramp, designed to make your home more accessible. Navigate doorways and small steps with ease. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this ramp offers a self-supporting and stable solution. It's built to last and provide dependable support. Don't let uneven surfaces or single-step rises stand in your way. This ramp is engineered to handle various entry points effectively. Its portable design means you can easily place it where you need it most. Enjoy enhanced mobility without permanent installations. Perfect for doorways and home steps, it provides a smooth transition for wheelchairs and other mobility devices. Make your home more navigable today. With its ample dimensions, it covers a significant area, ensuring a comfortable and safe passage. It's designed for practical, everyday use. What we like. For those dealing with uneven surfaces or single-step rises, this ramp offers a self-supporting, angled entry. It's designed to bridge gaps smoothly without needing additional support. If you prioritize ease of use on irregular ground, this is the ramp for you. What people say. This ramp is very sturdy and well-made. It holds up to 1,000 pounds, which is great for my heavy electric wheelchair. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, even when wet. I feel much safer using this ramp now. It's incredibly easy to set up, take down. The folding design makes it portable and convenient to store. Number 3. Titan Ramps Wheelchair Entry Ramp. Introducing the Titan Ramps Wheelchair Entry Ramp, designed for accessibility and ease of use. This ramp provides a reliable solution for overcoming thresholds. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this ramp is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures long-term durability for everyday use. With an impressive weight capacity of 850 pounds, it can safely support a wide range of mobility devices. You can trust its strength and stability. The 6-foot length offers ample space for a smooth and gradual incline. This makes navigating different heights much easier and more comfortable. This ramp is an excellent addition to any home or facility needing improved accessibility. It's a practical solution for creating barrier-free environments. Please note that handrails are sold separately. You can customize your setup to best suit your specific needs and preferences. What we like. When stability and heavy-duty use are paramount, this ramp stands out with its impressive 850 pounds weight capacity. Its robust aluminum construction ensures it can handle frequent use with occupied wheelchairs or scooters. If you need a reliable, long-lasting ramp for significant inclines, this is a solid option. What people say. This ramp is very sturdy and well-made, providing a secure surface for wheelchairs. The non-slip surface ensures safety and prevents the wheelchair from sliding, even in wet conditions. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to set up and move around as needed. Number 2. Ruedamann 10 feet telescopic wheelchair ramp. Introducing our 10-foot telescopic ramp, designed to provide a smoother, safer incline. It offers extended reach for higher steps, making access easier for everyone. Experience improved safety with its unique punched hole surface for excellent traction and drainage. Raised side rails and rubber pads ensure stability and prevent accidental roll-offs. This ramp's flexible 3-section design allows for adjustable length to suit various needs. It can be used in multiple configurations for optimal accessibility. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant aluminum, it's built for both indoor and outdoor use. Its robust construction ensures daily reliability and can handle significant weight. Featuring built-in handles, it folds compactly for easy transport. Use them together or separately for different applications, adapting to various mobility devices and locations. What we like. If you need a ramp that can adapt to various lengths and be easily transported, this telescopic option is ideal. Its built-in handles and folding design make it convenient for on-the-go use. You should choose this if you frequently move your ramp between different locations or need to accommodate varying step heights. What people say. This ramp is very sturdy and well-made. It is easy to set up and take down. The ramp is lightweight and portable. Number 1. Silver Spring 10-foot wheelchair ramp. Navigate single steps and uneven thresholds with ease. This ramp provides seamless access to your front door, side doors, or garage. Crafted from durable, one-piece aluminum, it's maintenance-free and resistant to rust and corrosion. The textured surface ensures reliable traction in any weather. With an 850 pounds capacity, it safely supports occupied wheelchairs and scooters. High side curbs offer extra protection against roll-offs. Its one-piece design makes it simple to position where you need it. Weighing 77 pounds, it's easy to move without any permanent installation. Designed with ADA guidance in mind, this 10-foot ramp is suitable for heights up to 10 inches, ensuring safe operation for various mobility devices. Beyond home entry, it's also perfect for loading equipment into vans, provided weight limits are respected. What we like. For a straightforward, durable, and maintenance-free solution, this one-piece aluminum ramp made in the USA is a great pick. Its textured surface ensures reliable traction in any weather. If you're looking for a simple, robust ramp for residential entry access that won't rust or corrode, this is the one. What people say. This ramp is sturdy and well-made, perfect for my needs. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, even when wet. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it convenient for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.